The first chemical property of acids and bases is action of acids and bases with the metals. See the general format of this chemical chain or chemical reaction. Acid or base react with metal, gives salt and liberate hydrogen gas. Okay. Here in the textbook they explain one chemical reaction. See, zinc granules are made to react with the sulfuric acid. Then the products so form are zinc sulfate and liberate hydrogen gas. Okay, if you want to know about this chemical reaction in the laboratory, to perform this chemical reaction we use these apparatus. Wool's bottle, through one mouth thistle funnel is arranged to drop the solutions, and through the second mouth delivery tube is connected to the beehive shelf, which is used to collect the gases during the chemical chain, and the beehive shelf is placed in a beaker. Initially the beaker and the beehive shelf completely filled with water, and into the Wool's bottle first zinc granules are taken. Through the thistle funnel dilute sulfuric acid is added. Once the acid is get in contact with the zinc granule, you can see rising of some vapors. So all the vapors so rise up, passes through the delivery tube. Once these vapors enters into the beehive shelf, you can see rising of series of bubbles. These bubbles rises up, start to exert pressure on the water whichever is present initially. Due to that pressure, slowly the water comes out through this lower outlet. Finally, this space is occupied by the gas so evolved or the vapor so evolved during the chemical chain. But initially we cannot say it is a hydrogen gas. Or to determine the gas so produced is hydrogen or not, we need to perform some identification test. After a few minutes, beehive shelf is taken out, and as we introduce burning splinter into the gas jar, immediately the gas so present in the beehive shelf burns with a pale blue in color with a pop sound. That pop sound is due to the rapid combustion of hydrogen gas. Okay, so this is a chemical process whatever taking place when the metals made to react, mainly zinc made to react with the dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, and it is a action of zinc metal with the acid. Now see, the same zinc metal made to react with the base, that is sodium hydroxide. Metal plus base, zinc plus sodium hydroxide. Here also some products are formed, that is Na2ZnO2, sodium zincate, and same gas is liberated here. So the gas so liberate is a common when the metals react with the acids and bases. Okay, so these are the balanced equations. So once again, you people read the complete content in the classwork. Keep this one as a heading. Below that write one or two sentences, then copy all these. And here one image is that he is the person who discovered hydrogen gas. Now it is a question to you. What that? Who discovered hydrogen gas. I give the pic to you. What do you say the name? So this is the first chemical property of acids and bases. Final conclusion, what we can say, when metals react with acids or bases, they form salt and liberate hydrogen gas.